Welcome to Azaan Construction, your trusted partner in modern living and timeless design. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most eye-catching and innovative aspects of interior decor, the TV wall. No longer just a background for your television, this space has now become a statement piece that reflects personality, lifestyle, and a sense of luxury. Whether you're designing a cozy apartment or a grand living area, a thoughtfully designed TV wall can completely transform the ambience of your space. In this video, we'll walk you through the newest trends in 2025, showcasing styles that range from ultramodern and minimalistic to bold, textured, and dramatic. We'll explore the top materials being used this year, such as fluted wood panels, stone cladding, high-gloss laminates, backlit marble, and concrete finishes. You'll also learn how designers are incorporating floating shelves, hidden cabinets, and smart lighting systems to enhance both beauty and utility. Here at Azaan Construction, we believe that design should be both functional and inspiring. That's why we're also highlighting the latest technological integrations in TV wall designs, including LED backlighting that can be controlled by smart home systems, sound-absorbing panels for a cinematic experience, and wireless cable management systems that keep your setup clean and organized. For those with smaller spaces, we'll share clever ideas like niche-mounted TVs with vertical storage, foldable panel designs, and wall-mounted units that make your room look bigger while still delivering style. We'll also showcase real-life examples and projects, breaking down the design thought process behind each one, what materials were used, how color schemes were selected, and why certain layouts work better in different kinds of homes. Whether you're going for a classic wood finish, a luxurious marble texture, or a futuristic minimalist design, there's something in this video for everyone. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Azaan Construction for more expert insights and ideas. We'll close the video with useful tips on how to choose the right TV wall design for your home, taking into account lighting, furniture placement, wall size, and your personal taste. We'll also share budget-friendly hacks that still look premium, such as using gypsum with LED strips, or combining wallpaper with MDF for a rich layered look. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make your TV wall not just a media center, but a centerpiece that ties your whole room together. So grab a notebook, take some ideas, and let your imagination flow as we help you build spaces that are not only beautiful but deeply personal. Let's get started.